Good morning, children. Already three chapters over, that is real numbers, polynomials and factorization, and the elements of geometry. This is chapter 9, that is statistics. That is fourth, that is ninth chapter in July month, is July and August. Okay, they already you learn in 8th class. What is mean, mode, median. Okay, what is range, what is data, what is raw data. Okay, this is very easy chapter. And this chapter also around 10 to 15 marks is there. This chapter is minimum 10 marks, 10 to 15 marks. This is very easy chapter. Okay. First one is what is data. Okay. What is data? Data is nothing but a collection of information. Data is nothing but a collection of information. Collection of information. Information that is related to problem. Suppose here data is nothing. Okay. Suppose student marks. Okay. That is 10, 15, 17, 18, some 16. Okay. These are the 5 subjects, that is Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science. Okay, these are the collection of information. Next remaining that is find the mean, mode, depends on a given problem. Okay, therefore that is the here ungrouped data is there, grouped data. Ungrouped data. And grouped data. Ungrouped means only marks is given. Marks here 10, 15, 17, 18, some 16, some 14. This type of marks is given. That is student name is given or not given. Therefore depends on the subject is given. Okay, these are the marks. That is the ungrouped data. Okay, here grouped data means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Here 0 to frequency, this is 4 members, 5 members, 6, 7. Here 0 to 10 marks, that is 4 members. 10 to 20, that is 5 persons. 20 to 30, 6 members. 30 to 40, that is 7 members. That is called therefore grouped data. Okay, these are called exclusive class interval. These are called exclusive class intervals. Okay, sometimes 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, these are called inclusive class intervals. Inclusive class intervals. Here see 1 to 10, next 11 to 20. Suppose one person gets 10.5 marks, therefore that person is not in first this class intervals is converted into exclusive class intervals. Here difference is how much? Here 0 to here 0 is the lower boundary, lower limit, upper limit. Here also lower, upper, L up, L. Here upper. L means lower boundary, U means upper boundary. Okay, here also same. Okay, here difference is 1 is there, therefore here 11 minus 10, this it can be written as 1, divide by 2, therefore that is a here 0.5. Here decrease here lower boundary, subtract 0.5 and add here, therefore 0.5 minus 10.5, here 10.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to these are converted into exclusive class interval. Exclusive class interval. Any inclusive class interval is given, that is converted into exclusive class interval. This is the upper limit. This is the lower limit. This is the upper limit. Lower, upper limit. Okay, that is the lower limit and the upper limit. This is lower and this is the upper limit. Okay, these are the exclusive class intervals. These are the inclusive class intervals. The inclusive class intervals is always converted into exclusive class intervals. Okay, already you studied in 8th class this all. Okay, that is first exercise. 8th chapter maybe 7th chapter 7.1 exercise and 7.2 exercise based on this only. Here ungrouped data. In central tendency, that is three terms are main. That is central tendency. That is mean. Next one is median and mode. You know mean. Mean means what? Mean or average both are same only. Arithmetic mean or average both are same only. Average or arithmetic mean both are same only. Sometimes mean. Suppose numbers is given 15, 10, 7, 8, 6. Here first find out the sum of how many observations. So sum is that is 15 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 15 plus 10 25, 25 plus 15 40, 46 by 5. Therefore formula is what? Sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations, that is count sum 15 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 by number of observations, that is how many? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this problem that is 5 is there. Next problem that is change, that one depends on problem, that is sum of observation by number of observations is generated by x bar. X bar means that is mean equal to sum of observations by number of observations, that is so you know 5 subjects is there, therefore you know average means sum of all 5 subjects marks by total number of subjects, therefore that is the mean. Next median. Here median two formulas is there. Median, that is two formulas, one is even number, one is a odd number. Mean, here odd number of observations is odd, here is even. Suppose here 1, 3, 4, 0, 7. These numbers are given. First these numbers are arranged in ascending order or descending order, any one order. 0, 1, 3, 4, 7. These are the ascending order. You write any one order, ascending order or descending order, any one order. Okay? Here number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of observations. That is how many? 5. 5 means that is odd or even? Odd. Therefore median equal to formula. Median equal to n plus 1 by 2. That is a 5 plus 1 by 2, that equal to 6 by 2, that equal to third term. That is the third term. Here third term is what? 3. Therefore median equal to. If number of observations is odd, therefore median equal formula is what? N plus 1 by 2. Therefore n means that is 5. 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6th term. Therefore third term is the median. Therefore third term is what? That is 3. Median is the 3. Suppose here 5, 7, 8, 4, 3, 1 is given. Here first these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Here write ascending order, here write descending order. Okay? Here 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1. This is the descending order, DO. Here total number of observations is how many? Number of observations, that is 6. 6 is even. Therefore median equal to average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term. Here already you know this one. Yeah, shall I rub this one? here median equal to average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term. Average means again mean only. Therefore here n means that is 6. Therefore 6 by 2 that is third term. N by 2 plus 1 that is 3 plus 1 that is fourth term. Here third term is what? 5 and fourth term is 4. Average of third and fourth terms. Third term is 5 plus 4 by 2 that equal to 9 by 2 that equal to 4.5. Median equal to 4.5. Here one more time see. Here 5, 7, 8, 4, 3, 1 is given. These numbers are arranged in ascending order, descending order. Therefore answer is no change. That is no confusion. Okay? Everyone understood? Here first these numbers are arranged in ascending order or descending order. Therefore I wrote here descending order. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1. Total how many observations? Count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 observations. Okay? Number of observations 6. 6 means that is even or odd? Even only. If number of observations is even, therefore median equal to what formula? Average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term. N by 2. Therefore 6 by 2. Therefore third term. And n by 2 plus 1. Therefore 3 plus 1. That is fourth term. Okay? Here third term is 5 and fourth term is 4. Therefore 5 plus 4 by 2. Therefore 9 by 2 that equal to 4.2. Median equal to how much? 4.2. Here median equal to two formulas is the number of observations is even, number of observations is odd. Okay? That is two formulas based on that number of observations only or number of terms. In statistics that is right number of observations. Next mode. Mode means frequently occurring number or repeated number. Frequently occurring number or repeated number. Repeated number or repeated value or number or variable or what are it may repeated number or frequently occurring number. Suppose 5, 4, 3, 5, 2, 1, 6, 5. Okay. Here see. Here 5 how many times is there? 5 3 times. Next 3 1 time. 2 1 time. 4 1 time. Okay, 6 1 time. Here most repeated number is what? 5. Therefore mode equal to what? Mode equal to 5. Suppose here one more 3 is given. Therefore mode equal to what? Mode equal to 5 and 3. Therefore here only one, that is a single mode. Here two modes is there, that is bimode. Bimode. Suppose 3 numbers is given, that is a trimode. More than 3, that is a multi. Okay? Here only one mode, that is a single mode, bimode, trimode, what are it to be. Sometimes only numbers is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here no repeated, therefore mode equal to what? Mode equal to does not exist. Mode equal to does not exist. Mode equal to does not exist. Okay? Here mode equal to does not. Here no repeated value, therefore mode is does not exist. Here repeated only 1 5, therefore that is the 5 is the mode. Here repeated 2 numbers, therefore that is a bimode 5 and 3. Here repeated 3 numbers, therefore that is a. Here what is a mean, mode, median. Mean means what? Average. Average or arithmetic means both are same. Sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Median. If number of observations is odd, therefore median equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. If number of observations is even, therefore median equal to average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay? Next mode equal to repeatedly frequently occurring number. Repeated frequently occurring number. Here first exercise, this is very easy chapter. Okay, here first one exercise 9.1 exercise. First one, here write the marks wise frequency in the following frequency distribution table. Marks is given and number of students. Number of students. Here up to 5, up to 6, up to 7, up to 8, up to 9, up to 10, 45 members. Here write the marks wise frequency in the following frequency distribution table. Okay, here marks up to 5, up to 6, up to 7, up to 8, up to 9, up to 10. Here up to 10 means here up to 9 marks also included here. Up to 9 means up to 8 marks also included here. Up to 8 means up to 7 marks included here. Okay, therefore here write here particular marks 5 marks how many percent? Here solution. Here marks, number of students. Here up to 5 marks. Up to 5 marks how many members? That is 5 only. Here up to 6 marks is given. Only 6 marks. 6 marks fellows. There were 6 marks means here up to 6 marks means 5 marks persons also included here. Therefore 11 minus 5. That is how many? 6%. Here only 7 marks. Therefore 19 minus 11. That equal to 8. Next up to 8 marks. Therefore only 8 marks. 31 minus 19. That is 12 marks. 12%. Next only 9 marks. 40 minus 31. 9 members. Next only 10 marks. 45 minus 40, that equal to 5%. Here total how many persons? Up to 10. That is how many? Total 45 members only in a class. Total how many? Total strength equal, that is 45. This count this one. That is here 12 plus 8, that is 20. 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 9, 39 plus 6. Therefore 45. Total is 45. That is correct. Otherwise here up to 5 marks or only 5 marks. What are to be your right choice? Up to 5, that is 5% only. Here up to 6 marks, 5 marks also included. Therefore 6 marks fellows, that is 6 only. 11 minus 5, that is 6. Next 7 marks fellows, 19 minus 11, that is 8. Next 8 marks, 31 minus 19, that is 12. Next 9 marks fellows, 40 minus 31, that is 9. Next 10 marks only, 45 minus 40, that is 5 marks. Total is that is the first solution. Okay, that is very easy only. Next second question. Here second question, that is 9.2. Second question, some table is given. Blood group of 36 students. The blood group of 36 students of a 9th class Prithvi. Okay, recorded as follows. So therefore Here, represent the data in the form of a frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. Yes, total 36 is given. Check once. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 3 rows is given. Therefore 12 into 3, that is. Here solution. Solution. Name of the blood group. Name of blood group. Number of students. Here blood group. Here O is there, A is there, B is there, AB is there. First O count. How many? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is the O is the 16. Next one is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next one is AB. Here 1, 2. Here 19 plus 2, 20 plus 16, 36. That is correct. Otherwise not. Here table is given according to table. Therefore here how many O group, how many big AB groups. Write and count and write this table. Okay. Name of the blood group, number of the students. This is the frequency. Here next one asking you most common blood group. Most common blood group is what? Most common blood group. Blood group which is highest. Therefore that is O. Therefore that is O. Next, what is asking? Rarest blood group. Rarest blood group. Therefore which is least? Therefore that is AB. Okay. Therefore that one is the right. Okay. Here name of the blood group which is highest one, that is the O group. That is the most common blood group. Next which is the least, that is the AB. Therefore rarest blood group. Okay. Next one is the third question also, you know this one. Here there 3 coins were tossed 30 times. Here total of 1, 2, 3, 0 is given. Therefore according to same. Therefore 0, 1, 2 number of heads. Therefore count and write down. Next TV channel A, B, C is given. That is also same, that only. Next fifth one. Here graphs is given. According to graphs write down. Here first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, sixth class. Therefore here write first class number of students, second class that one according to. Next year that is the sixth one. Fifth one is also same. Here number of cars, bikes, autos and cylinders based on that only. Okay. Next one, seventh one. The marks of 30 students. Marks of 30 students of a class obtained in a test out of 75 are given below. Here, the marks of 30 students of a class obtained in a test out of 75 marks, that follows 21, 20, 50, and so on. You get. Therefore, form a frequency table with equal class interval. Therefore, one of them being 0 to 10. Therefore, here first write class intervals. Class intervals. Next, number of students. Number of students. Here already India is given, that is 0 to 10. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. 70 to 80 and of y. Here up to here 75 marks only. Yes sir? Here 0 to 10. Here anything is there here? Only 1. Next 10 to 20 count down. 10 to 20 means 20 is not included here. 10 to 20 here. Here 17, 17, here 14, 19. Total how many? That is 4. Next 20 to 30. Here 30 is not included here. 21, 1, 2, 3. That is the 3. Next one is 30 to 40. Count down. 30 to 40. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 30 to 40. Again count down also. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is 40 to 50. Here 40 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. Next one is 50 to 60. 50 to 60, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 60 to 70. 1, 70 to 8, that is 0. Here 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 16, 22, 30. Total 30 students. Add this one. Total 30. Otherwise, wrong only. Here 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16, here 14, that is 30. Okay. Therefore 0 to 10 how many? 10 is not included here. 20 is not included. Therefore count and write this only. Okay. Next two problems also same, that only. Here next also same, that only. Here electricity bills of 25 households of in a locality are given below. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table with a class size of 75. Here class size is 75 is given. Here 170, 212, 252 is given, and depends on that you write down. Okay. This is very easy exercise. You complete this one. Okay. This is very easy. Next one more point here. Here what is range? range means that is maximum value minus minimum value, maximum minus minimum, that is highest value minus least value, therefore that is the range. Suppose 1 3 5 6 8 9 0 is given. Okay, yeah, range means what? That is here highest one is what? That is highest is the 9 and least is the 0, therefore 9 minus 0 that equal to 9 minus 0 that equal to 9 is the range. Range equal to maximum value minus minimum value, therefore that is the range. Therefore here main is the central tendency, that is the mean, mode, median. Mean means sum of observations by number of observations. Median, if number of observations is even, therefore mean equal to that is median equal to what? N plus 1 by 2 term. Next median, if number of observations is even, therefore median equal to average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term. Mode equal to frequently occurring number or repeated number, okay, or repeated value. Next range equal to maximum value minus minimum value. This is very easy chapter and important chapter also. Okay, thank you everybody.